morning. This is your replacement drum. In order to transfer this, you're going to want to separate your machine like this. To start, you're going to want to remove your soap dish, disconnect the siphon brake hose here. You're going to want to pull this vent hose through the back. And then you're going to want to unplug the drain hose wiring, pull that out through the top. You have to remove this brace here. You can remove this shield, the door, and then the door latch here. You're going to want to unbolt it, but you can just leave it dangling like this one. Once you have all of that disconnected, you're going to need to, your machine is a different model, but you're going to want to disconnect your motor wiring and pull all that down through the bottom. So you have hoses disconnected, essential wiring disconnected, brace disconnected, unbolt the body from the frame on both sides, 3 spots, and then you can take the entire case and essentially lift it up and forward, and it'll come right off the frame. This one here is all prepped and ready to go. You can just drop your body right on top of it and then add your motor and reconnect all the wiring. If you would rather use your frame, like if you have it mounted in concrete and don't want to unbolt it, you can disconnect this drum. It's just 4 spots here and here, and then the back side. The back side you can leave as is. The front, you're almost definitely going to have to loosen here to readjust everything. It'd be a lot easier to just leave it on the frame, but it's up to you. Thank you.